Dear friend, I am reading Dr. Hoque's poetry. Step by step, a puzzle is woven. Step by step, we tread the ground, weaving riddle all around. Every turn, a hidden clue, a path unknown, a journey new. The whisper of the wending way guide our feet, but never stay. With every step, a question grows. What is lies ahead? Nobody knows. The trees, the wind, the star above hold secrets wrapped in nature love. Each moment binds the thread we spin, a riddle outside, a quiet within. So walk with wonder and let it be the maze of life, its mystery. For as we treat, we come to find the puzzle's joy lies in the mind. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like and share this video clip. Thank you again.